I'm Sarah,
And I'm Craig.
and in this video we will be analyzing the effects of climate change to the North and South Pole with surface air temperature and ocean ice coverage. We started in 1958 and went all the way to 2100 with 50-year intervals. As you can tell over the time span, the surface air temperature at the poles got warmer. This is caused by human activity and an excess of carbon dioxide emissions, which causes the greenhouse effect. This effect increases the overall temperature of the Earth. As you can see in this picture, an increase in surface air temperature causes ice, especially at the poles, to break away and begin to melt.
We use this exact same formula to find the ocean ice coverage between these years, and as you can see, the greenhouse effect, as well as human-made climate change, is contributing significantly to the decrease of ocean ice coverage at the poles. We use this graph to show the decrease in ocean ice coverage in the North and South poles, and as you see right here, in the South Pole, ocean ice coverage decrease is significant, but still active in the North Pole as well. But now we have to ask ourselves, what are the effects of these changes? Well, organisms such as this polar bear right here are being isolated from other fellow bears, and by having smaller ice sheets, they are being forced to have less land to walk on, eventually left to swim in an endless sea. This problem is also prevalent with penguins in the South Pole. But how does this affect humans? Well, 80% of humans live within 60 miles of a coastline, and by having ocean ice coverage decrease, it also raises ocean levels, which can cause areas of massive population like New York City and San Francisco on the coastline to suffer the risk of flooding. Now at this point, we should be asking ourselves, what are we doing, and how can we stop this global warming from affecting other animals as well as ourselves? One thing that we can do is stop our use of cars and switch to things such as public transportation and bikes. We use cars every day to go from work to school and other places, and this contributes significantly to CO2 emission around the world. By the way, switching to bikes and using them twice a day would make you a recycler, and besides, using cars every day is absolutely exhausting. Another thing that we can do is simply use less electricity around the house by doing things such as turning off our lights. By having large amounts of people do this, fossil fuel use will decrease significantly as we're using less power to power our homes and our communities, which will decrease the amount of CO2 emission, further slowing down the greenhouse effect and global warming around our planet.